हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू कॉम्पिटिटर्स वर्ल्ड. कॉम्पिटिटर्स वर्ल्ड को आपण मानक स्वागत. In the previous session, that is in the mock test number 7, we discussed 15 most important questions of Odisha geography, and in today's session also there will be another 30 questions of Odisha geography which are very much useful for the upcoming exams like OSSC CGL, OCS, OSSSC exams and other state exams where Odisha GK is being asked. Okay, so before starting I want to say one thing. You can watch all these videos in the playlist which have been uploaded there. Let's see how many questions you can answer correctly. Just evaluate your score and write your score in the comment box. So let us start today's session. The first question is, in Odisha river which Odisha river originates from the Chhattisgarh hills and passes through western Odisha? Option A Tel, option B Mahanadi, option C Brahmani and option D, that is Rusikulya. So what will be the right answer here? Just give the right answer. Okay, so here the right answer is, that is option A. Tel is the right answer. Okay, Tel river originates from the Chhattisgarh hills and passes through western Odisha. If we'll talk about Tel river originates from the, that is Amaravati hills in the Chhattisgarh and it flows through Nabarangpur, Kalahandi, Balangir and Bodh and Sonpur district of Odisha. It is also a tributary of Mahanadi river, as all of you know, and it supports irrigation and agriculture. Tel river has seasonal flood patterns in the monsoon. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Okay, the next question is, which is the most widely found soil type in Odisha? Okay, so option A, that is alluvial soil, option B laterite soil, option C red soil and option D, that is black soil. So what will be the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is red soil. Okay, so red soil is widely found in Odisha. If we'll talk about red soil is also known as red and yellow soil and it covers largest area, approximately, that is 7.14 million hectares is covered by, area is covered by, that is red soil. And as you can say, it is named as red soil. It is reddish in color due to the high amount of iron oxide. Okay, due to the high amount of iron oxide it looks red color and it also looks yellow color when it gets hydrated. Okay, if we'll talk about red soil, it is poor in nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. Okay, so it lacks fertility. So let us know in which district the red soil is found. One is Koraput, Rayagada, Malkanagiri, okay, Ganjam, Balangir, Mayurbhanj. These are the areas where the red soil is being found. If we'll talk about the red soil, look at the description. Red soil covers nearly 75% of Odisha and it found district Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Koraput and other districts like Rayagada, Malkanagiri, Balangir, Mayurbhanj, etc. So it is formed from crystalline rocks and it's suitable for crops like millets, pulses and groundnuts. Okay, this is all about red soil. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 says, okay, I can also let me analyze the other type of soils here. So this will be better. If I will talk about the alluvial soil, the soil is deposited primarily in the river delta, okay, in the coastal plains, and this is very much useful for the crops like rice, jute and sugarcane. Okay, let me tell you briefly. If we'll talk about laterite soil, it is found generally in the hilly areas, okay, and I have already told you in previous videos, this is found in areas where there is high rainfall because leaching occurs. Leaching means the upper layer of the soil is washed away, and it is also rich in iron and aluminium, and the lateral soil is conducive for the crops like tea and coffee. Okay, so in the laterite soil these crops are grown. And if we'll talk about the black soil, the black soil is known as regur also. You must have known this regur soil. Okay, so this is all known as regur, and the black soil is also known as black cotton soil. And the black soil is generally found in areas like Kalahandi, Ongul, Balangir, and Ganjam. And one thing you know about black soil, this is rich in clay. Okay, clay amount is high in these soils. Why? Because this soil have has a high water holding capacity. Okay, and it is known for moisture retention. Okay, this is generally a clay soil, and this is very much useful for the crops like millets, pulses, and groundnuts. So this is all about red soil, sorry, black soil. So let us move to the next question. Okay, I have already told you all the things. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 3. Which type of soil forest is most common in Odisha? Very important question. Option A, evergreen forest. This question has been asked in many exams. I have personally experienced. Option B, mangrove forest. Option C, tropical deciduous forest. And option D, that is alpine forest. So what will the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is option C, tropical deciduous forest. If we will talk about tropical deciduous forest, this can be categorized into tropical. First thing is tropical moist deciduous forest, that is moist deciduous forest, and another one is tropical dry deciduous forest. Okay, if we'll talk about tropical moist deciduous forest, the tropical moist deciduous forest is generally found in Koraput, Ganjam, Mayurbhanj, Dhenkanal, like these districts. And in the tropical moist forest, what is this generally found? Moist deciduous forest, trees like sal, teak, bamboos are generally grown. If I will talk about the dry deciduous forest, in the dry deciduous forest, the trees like tendu, polas, bel, khoir, these are the trees. These are grown in the dry deciduous forest. And if I'll talk about the dry deciduous forest, the rainfall lies between 70 to 100 centimeters, and this is generally seen in the western and central Odisha. Okay, so let us move up to, okay, let's see here. Here it has been explained. Odisha is mainly has tropical moist and dry deciduous forest. In the tropic forest like sal, teak, bamboos, mahua, etc. These trees are dominated. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 4. Okay, if I will talk about question number 4, it is said that mangrove forests in Odisha are mainly found in which area? Okay, in Odisha where the mangrove forest is found, option A Similpal, option B Bhitarkanika, option C Satkosia, and option D, that is Devamali. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is Bhitarkanika. Okay, so in Bhitarkanika the mangrove forest is seen. If I will talk about Bhitarkanika, as all of you know, it is situated in the Kendrapada district, and it is India's second largest mangrove ecosystem after the Sundarban. Okay, and this vital ecosystem is fed by, can you tell me which river? Yes, that is Brahmani and Baitarani, and this is a crucial habitat for the saltwater crocodiles. Okay, so if I will talk about the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary, the wildlife sanctuary covers approximately, that is 672 square kilometer. Okay, and if I will talk about the national park, that covers about 145 kilometer square, 145 kilometer square. Okay. And can you tell me when the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary got the status of Ramsar site? Yes, in the year that is 2002. 2002. Okay. So let us see. Look at this. This is Bhitarkanika. Okay. This is Bhitarkanika mangrove forests. Okay, look at this. Here the mangrove trees are grown. Okay, like this the trees are grown. And also look at this. This is a saltwater crocodile. Okay, this is a saltwater crocodile. How, look at the size, how giant this is. Let us go through the explanation. Bhitarkanika in Kendrapada district has India's second largest mangrove ecosystem protecting the coast from cyclones. Okay, so let us move to the next question. That is question number 5. Black soil in Odisha is mainly suitable for which crop? Okay, option A rice, option B cotton, option C jute, and option D that is D. So what will the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option B cotton. So black soil is otherwise known as regur and black cotton soil. If I will talk about the black soil, then black soil has high moisture retention capacity and it is rich in lime, iron and magnesium. Though limited in Odisha, it is found in some western parts and it is ideal for cotton cultivation. Okay, I have already told you in the previous question. So let us move to the next question. That is question number 6. The Brahmani river is formed by the confluence of which rivers? Option A Eve and Om, option B Sankh and Koel, option C Tel and Indravati, option D that is Baitarani and Salandi. So what will be the right answer here? Very important question about Brahmani river because this type of questions will definitely come in the examination. So please don't neglect. So here the right answer is that is Sankh and Koel. Okay. So Brahmani river is formed by the confluence of Sankh and Koel river. If I will talk about Brahmani river, this is originated near Raurkela in Chotnagpur plateau. Okay, and it flows through states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and if I will talk about the Sankh and Koel rivers, both the rivers Sankh and Koel are originated in the Jharkhand. Okay. If I will tell the state districts in which the Brahmani river is flowing, one is Sundargarh, Deogarh, Angul, Dhenkanal, Cuttack, Jajpur, and Kendrapada districts of Odisha. Okay, and it joins the Baitarani river to form a significant delta, and it is home to Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, near the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. Let us go through the explanation part. The Brahmani river is originated from the confluence of Sankh and Koel. It flows through central Odisha. The river supports irrigation and industry. It finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. So let us move to the next question. That is our question number 7. Okay, so if I will show you the Brahmani river, let us look into it. Yes, this is a Brahmani river is formed by the two rivers near the Raulkela, Sundargarh. So the Sankh and Koel river has been originated from the Jharkhand. Okay, and near the Chotnagpur plateau, the Brahmani river is formed. Okay, by the confluence of two rivers, that is Sankh and Koel river. Okay. Next question is which industry in Odisha is mainly based on bauxite? Option A that is cement industry, option B aluminum industry, option C fertilizer industry, and option D that is paper industry. This is an easy question, you can easily answer this question. Yes, the right answer is that is aluminum industry. So aluminum industry in Odisha is based on bauxite. Okay. One question, can you tell me in which areas of which districts of Odisha the bauxite is primarily found? Okay, so let us move into the explanation part. Odisha has large bauxite reserve. These are found in Koraput and Kalahandi basically. Bauxite is raw material for aluminium. Okay, can you tell me where in Koraput the bauxite reserve is maximum? The highest bauxite reserve? Yes, that I have already told you, that Panchpat Mali. Okay, Panchpat Mali hills, there is a high amount of bauxite reserve. So let us move to the next question. That is our question number 8. Very easy question that is. The Kanjia lake is associated with which sanctuary? Option A Similpal, option B Nandankanan, option C Bhitarkanika, and option D that is Satkosya. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is, all of you know, that is Nandankanan. So Kanjia lake is associated with Nandankanan. This question was asked in previous ASO examination which was conducted I think 2018 or 19. Okay, about the Kanjia lake. If I'll talk about the Kanjia lake, the Kanjia lake is located inside the Nandankanan. It is a freshwater lake and the lake enhances scenic beauty and it supports birds and aquatic life. Okay, so let us move to our question number 9. Question number 9 tells about the Kendu leaves collection. Kendu leaves collected from Odisha forests are used for making what? Option A paper, option B rope, option C BD, option D that is medicine. Kendu leaves. What is the use of Kendu leaves? You also know, you all must know this. The right answer is that is BD. Okay. The Kendu leaves are collected and these are used for the BD making process. BD making. Okay, if I'll talk about Kendu leaves, okay, can you tell me what is the rank of Odisha in the production of Kendu leaves? Do you have any idea? Yes, Odisha ranks third. Odisha ranks third in the production of Kendu leaves. If Odisha ranks third, then which state is the top? Which state tops the list? That is Madhya Pradesh. MP tops the list in the production of Kendu leaves, and second, Chhattisgarh is stands second, and Odisha is third. First one is MP. Question may be asked. Second one is Chhattisgarh. Third one is Odisha in the production of Kendu leaves. If I will talk about Odisha in with regard to contribution of Kendu leaves, approximately 4.5 to 5 lakhs quintals, okay, of Kendu leaves are being produced in Odisha, and it is approximately 20% of India's total production of Kendu leaves. And if I'll talk about Kendu leaves, it is a non-vital wood forest product. Can you tell me in Odisha what is the other name of Kendu leaves? Very important question. Yes, Kendu leaves is called green gold of Odisha. Very important. Green gold. Do remember. You must remember this. Kendu leaf is called green gold of Odisha. Okay. In which area the Kendu leaves are found? In the Sundargarh, Anugul, Kalahandi, Keonjhar, Balangir, Nabrangpur, Sambalpur, Bargarh, Kandhamal, Mayurbhanj, Ganjam, Rayagada. These are the districts in which the Kendu leaves are massively produced. Okay. So let us go through the explanation. I have already told everything. Let us see. Yes, Kendu leaves are important for forest product. They are widely used for making BDs. Odisha is a major Kendu leaf producer and provides employment to rural people. Okay, let us move to the next question. That is our question number 10. Okay, let me show you how the Kendu leaves are produced and manufactured. So let me go through it. Look, this is a Kendu tree. Okay, so these are the leaves of a Kendu tree. Okay, look at here how the tribal people are collecting the Kendu leaves to sustain their livelihoods. Okay, here is the scenario. Kendu leaves, which is being used to making BD. Okay, BD तैयारी करा होची. Next question. Paradip port mainly supports which industry? Cotton textile, option B fertilizer and petrochemical, option C IT industry, option D that is handloom. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is fertilizer and petrochemical. Okay, if I'll talk about the Paradip port is an artificial deep water port, and it was can you tell me by it was founded by whom? Yes, it was founded by late respected Biju Patnaik. Okay, when in the year that is 1962, the year 1962, the Paradip port was founded by late our former prime minister, sorry, former chief minister, that is Biju Patnaik. It is situated in Jagatsinghpur district, and it is a cargo hub of coal, petroleum, oil, lubricants. Okay, and it provides a vital link for industries in central and eastern India. If I'll talk about the Paradip port, the Paradip is a major seaport in Odisha. It handles imports and exports raw materials, fertilizers and petrochemical industries depend on it. The port boosts coastal industrial growth. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 11. Question number 11 tells about the Bansadhara river. Okay, Bansadhara river. The Bansadhara river flows mainly through which part of Odisha? Okay, before entering into the question, I want to say please don't leave the remaining questions, as today's questions are very much important from the exam point of view. Watch till the last. This will be very much beneficial for you. I have tried my best to collect the most important questions. The Bansadhara river flows mainly through which part of Odisha? Option A, northern Odisha. Option B, central Odisha. Option C, southern Odisha. And option D, that is coastal Odisha. What is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is southern Odisha. Okay, the Bansadhara river flows mainly through southern Odisha. If I will talk about the Bansadhara river, where the Bansadhara river has been originated, yes, the Bansadhara river has been originated near Lanjigad of Kalahandi district. Okay, can you tell me in which states the Bansadhara river flows? Yes, the Bansadhara river flows through Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. The length is approximately 275 kilometer. Okay, and the Bansadhara river is otherwise known as River of Bamboj. Do remember, the Bansadhara river is called River of Bamboj. Okay, why Bansadhara river was in news? Because there is ongoing dispute between Odisha and Andhra Pradesh regarding water sharing and implementation of projects like that is Neradi bridge. Okay, the Neradi barrage. So Neradi barrage there, for which there is a controversy between two states, that is Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, and it was a interstate river management dispute. Okay, so if I'll talk about Bansadhara, the Bansadhara flows through southern Odisha. It originates in the eastern Ghat. The river supports local agriculture and finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. So let us move to the next question. That is question number 12. Which lake is called Horseshoe Lake? Horseshoe Shape Lake. Okay. Option A, Chilika. Option B, Onsupa. Option C, that is Kanjia. And option D, that is Sorua. Okay, give the right answer. Yes, here the right answer is that is option B. Onsupa is the right answer. Okay, if I will talk about Onsupa, Onsupa is the largest natural freshwater lake, and the Onsupa is otherwise the shape of Onsupa is horseshoe shaped. That is an oxbow lake. Oxbow lake. Okay, and where the river lake Onsupa situated? The Onsupa lake is situated near Banki in Cuttack, and it was designated as a Ramsar site in the year that is 2021. Okay, so let us go through the explanation. Onsupa Lake is a horseshoe-shaped lake. It is freshwater lake located in Cuttack district and it supports fishing and tourism. So let us see the Onsupa Lake. See, this is how the Onsupa Lake looks like. It is a horseshoe-shaped oxbow lake. Okay, this is Onsupa Lake. Look at this. This is a horseshoe-shaped oxbow lake, Onsupa Lake. Okay, next question. That is question number 13. Which lake of Odisha is famous for Irrawaddy dolphins? Very, very important. These questions has also been asked in many exams about Irrawaddy dolphins. On option A, Onsupa, option B, Kanjia, option C, Chilika, and option D, that is Hirakud. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option C, Chilika. So Irrawaddy dolphins is a rare species which is found in Chilika. Okay. If I will tell you the IUCN status, that is endangered species. Okay. Irrawaddy dolphins are the endangered species. And if I will talk about Lake Chilika, Chilika is world's largest brackish water lagoon. Okay. And if I will talk about where the Irrawaddy dolphins are found, Chilika is of only 2 lagoons worldwide to support this species. First one is that is Songkhla. That's Songkhla in Thailand. There is a lake named Songkla that is situated in Thailand where the Irrawaddy dolphins are found. And the second one is that is Chilika. Okay. And if you will go to Chilika, where you can see the dolphins in the near the Satapada. Okay, near the Satapada you can find the dolphins. Let us go through the explanation part. If I will talk about Chilika, Chilika is a brackish water lagoon. It is home to Irrawaddy dolphins. The dolphins attract tourists. The lake has a global ecological importance. So let us move to the next question. That is, let me show you the Irrawaddy dolphins to you. Look, this is the picture of an Irrawaddy dolphin. Okay, this is a rare species. Look at this. How does it look? Okay, this is an Irrawaddy dolphin. Okay, look at this. Next question number 14. Question number 14 is about Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary. So Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district? Option A, that is Koraput, option B Kalahandi, option C Kandhamar, and option D Ganjam. So those who are watching my videos for the first time, one request to them, please do like and subscribe my channel, by which I will be motivated to make more videos, because I am giving my effort. I am spending a lot of time in making these contents. Okay, if these contents helps you a little bit, then definitely you must subscribe and give a like, so that I will be encouraged to make such videos, and I'll try my best to bring all these parts of Odisha history as well as art and culture also. So option A Koraput, option B Kalahandi, option C Kandhamar, option D that is Ganjam. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option B Kalahandi. Okay. So Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Kalahandi district, and this sanctuary is home to species like tiger, leopard, sambar, Nilgiri cows, and mouse deer, and various reptiles. Okay. So let us go through the explanation part. Karlapat Sanctuary lies in the Kalahandi district. It is a dense forest valley and valleys. The area supports leopards and deer. It is a part of Eastern Ghat region. Okay, that is Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary. The next question is in front of you. Which crop is main kharif crop of Odisha? Main kharif crop. Okay. Option A, that is wheat, option B rice, option C peas, and option D that is barley. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is rice. So rice is a major kharif crop of Odisha. If I'll talk about kharif crop, the kharif crop is generally sown around, that is June to July, that is during the arrival of the monsoon. Okay, at the start of southwest monsoon in Odisha, the kharif crop is generally sown. Okay, if I'll talk about the kharif crops, can you tell me when the rabi crop is grown? Yes, the rabi crop is generally grown during October and November. Okay, at the arrival of winter, the rabi crop is grown, and arrival of monsoon, the kharif crop is grown. Okay, and the okay, let us see. Here are the kharif crops. Look at this: rice, corn, soybean, sugarcane, groundnut, cotton. These are the kharif crops. Okay, see here. There is paddy, soybean, pigeon pea, cotton, peas, green grams. Okay, these are the kharif. Look at the rabi crops here: wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard, almond, broccoli. These are the rabi crops that are grown during the arrival of that are sown during the arrival of winter. Okay. Odisha has fertile alluvial soil and heavy monsoon rainfall. Rice is the main kharif crop grown across the state. Odisha plains and delta regions are ideal for paddy cultivation. The state is often called as the rice bowl of eastern India. The other crops include pulses, sugarcane, and oilseeds. I have already told you. So let us move to the next question. That is our question number 16. Okay, which institute is known for rice research in Odisha? Very, very important. Option A, SIFA. Option B, that is CRRI, that is Central Rice Research Institute. Option C, that is IMMT, that Institute of Mineral and Material Technology. Option C, D, that is RPRC, that is Regional Plant Research Center. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is Central Rice Research Institute, CRRI. Okay, so Central Rice Research Institute. If I will talk about Central Rice Research Institute, CRRI is located in, that is Cuttack in Odisha, and it focuses on research to improve rice varieties and yields. The institute work on pest resistant and high yield rice strains. It support farmers through technology transfer and training. And rice is being a staple crop, CRI's work is vital for Odisha's agriculture. Okay, so let us move to the next question today. That is question number 16. Which Odisha based institute is premier research center for mineral and material technology? Okay, so from the full form, this question can be answered. Yes, the right answer is, that is option A, IMMT, that is Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, IMMT. Okay. If I'll talk about IMMT, IMMT is located in Bhubaneswar, and it focuses on minerals and material research. It develops technologies for extraction and processing of minerals. IMMT works on sustainable utilization of mineral resources. It also researches materials for industrial application. The institute contributes to Odisha's mineral rich economy. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 17. Which institute in Odisha is famous for plant biodiversity and medical plant? Okay, the options are IMMT, RPRC, NALCO, and OUT. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is RPRC. If I'll talk about RPRC, RPRC is also located in Bhubaneswar. It focuses on conservation and study of plant biodiversity. The institute researches medicinal plants and their applications. RPRC promotes awareness about forest and plant conservation. It supports ecological research and sustainable utilization of plant resources. Okay, so let us move to the next question, that is question number 18. Which Odisha's institute specializes in agricultural education and research? Option A OUAT, option B CRRI, option C IMMT, and option D that is SIPA. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option A OUAT. Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, OUAT. If I will talk about OUAT, OUAT is located in Bhubaneswar. It provides education, research, and extension in agricultural and allied fields. The university works on crop improvement, soil science, and horticulture. OUAT supports farmers with modern farming technologies, and it plays a central role in boosting Odisha's agricultural productivity. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 19. Which institute is associated with aluminum research and production in Odisha? You can easily answer this question. Option A NALCO, option B SIPA, option C IMMT, and option D that is OUAT. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is NALCO. If I will talk about NALCO, NALCO is major public sector company based in Bhubaneswar. It specializes in aluminum production and bauxite mining. The company also has research and development facilities for aluminum technology. NALCO contributes significantly to Odisha's industrial sector. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 20. Which institute in Odisha is dedicated to biotechnology research? Option A Institute of Life Science, option C SIPA, option B SIPA, option C that is IMMT, option D that is OUAT. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is option A Institute of Life Science. If I will talk about Institute of Life Science, Institute of Life Science is located in Bhubaneswar. It conducts advanced research in biotechnology and life sciences. The institute work on disease biology, genomics, and molecular medicine. It collaborates with universities and research centers nationally and internationally. It contributes to healthcare and scientific innovation in Odisha. Let us move to the next question. Question number 21. Which Odisha-based institute focuses on coastal and marine ecosystem? Option A IMMT, option B that is Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, option C that is SIPA, and option D that is OUAT. So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is option B, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, CMFRI. If I will talk about CMFRI, CMFRI has a regional center in Odisha, that is Chiliga. It conducts research on marine fisheries and aquaculture. This institute work on sustainable fishing practices and fish conservation. CMFRI provides technical support to coastal communities. It plays a crucial role in Odisha's marine economy. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 22. Which institute of Odisha involved in industrial marine and sustainable mining? Okay, so in the previous question I have already told you the right answer is that is IMMT. Okay, so IMMT, that is Institute of Mineral and Materials Technology, that is the right answer. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 23. Which institute focus on freshwater aquaculture and fish breeding in Odisha? Very important question. So what is the right answer here? So the right answer is that is option A SIPA. What is the full form of SIPA? SIPA is Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture. Okay, Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture. If I will talk about SIPA, SIPA is in Bhubaneswar and specializes in freshwater fish farming. It develops high yield and disease resistant fish varieties. The institute promotes aquaculture technology to farmers. SIPA supports fisheries sector in Odisha and neighboring states. Next question. Which Odisha institute work on plant genetics and resource and biodiversity? So what is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is Regional Plant Resource Center, RPRC. So if we talk about RPRC, it is located in Bhubaneswar. It conserves rare and endangered plant species of Odisha. The institute work on medicinal and economically important plants. RPRC maintains seed banks and botanical gardens. It promotes research on sustainable use of plant biodiversity. So let us move to the next question. Which Odisha institute conduct research on agricultural and extension and farmer support? So I have already told you here the right answer should be that is OUAT. Okay, so directly move to the question number 26. Which Odisha institute work on life science, molecular biology, and genomic research? So, what are the right answer here? So, here the right answer is that is Institute of Life Science. If I'll talk about Institute of Life Science, Institute of Life Science is in Bhubaneswar and is a premier biotechnology institute. It researches disease biology, molecular medicine, and genomics. The institute collaborates nationally and internationally and contributes to biotechnology based healthcare solutions. So let us move to the next question. Question number 27. I earlier discussed this question and I have just flipped the question. Raghurajpur village in Odisha is famous for. Option A stone carving, option B Patachitra painting, option C hand dunes, and option D that is hill taking. So what is the right answer here? I have already told you in the previous videos the right answer should be that is Patachitra painting. So Patachitra painting is the right answer. If I'll talk about Raghurajpur, Raghurajpur is a heritage craft village near that is Puri and it is famous for Patachitra, traditional cloth based scroll painting. Okay, and artists here also mean palm leaf engraving and mask. The village is recognized as heritage village for cultural tourism. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 28. The Tribal Research Institute Museum in Bhubaneswar is conceptually known as. What is the name of the Tribal Research Museum which is situated in Bhubaneswar? Museum of Nature, Museum of Man, Museum of Technology, and Museum of History. So here the right answer is that is Museum of Man. So the Tribal Research Institute Museum showcases the life, culture, and artifacts of Odisha's tribal communities and conceptually called that is Museum of Man. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 29. Odisha State Maritime Museum is located in which city? Option A Bhubaneswar, option B Cuttack, option C Puri, and option D that is Sambalpur. What is the right answer here? So here the right answer is that is Cuttack State Maritime Museum. If I'll talk about the State Maritime Museum, it is situated in Cuttack and it is historically important for shipbuilding and inland river navigation. So let us move to the next question and today's last question. Which planetarium in Bhubaneswar is dedicated to astronomy and named after a famous Indian astronomer? So what is the right answer here? Option A Space Museum Odisha, Pathani Samanta Planetarium, Odisha Science Center Dome, and Odisha Astrophysical Gallery. So what is the right answer? Yes, the right answer is that is Pathani Samanta Planetarium. If I'll talk about Pathani Samanta Planetarium, it is named after astronomer Pathani Samanta. The planetarium offers sky shows, astronomy awareness programs, and displays astronomical instruments. Okay, so these are the questions for today. I hope these questions will definitely help you in the upcoming exam. And if you like the questions what are being discussed, please to like the channel, subscribe, and share with your friends, by which I will be encouraged to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching these videos and giving your precious time. Thanks a lot. May God bless you.